Hi, I am Rebecca. Welcome to my channel of all things health, lifestyle and motherhood. Hi, those of you that have been on my channel and saw my very first video, welcome back. For those of you that this is your first time watching me, hi, I am Rebecca Roberts and I am massively passionate about trying to save money and budget. I have a toddler who is 3, he's almost 4, and we've done house renovations and we live away from our family, so it's nice to kind of save up so that we can go and visit them as often as we can. So budgeting was a massive deal for me, and when I found this incredible TikTok YouTube hack, I just had to get involved. So if you didn't watch my very first cash stuffing, go back and watch the video. This is week 2 now, so I am going to be sharing with you what's gone on the past week and what we've got planned for this next week coming. I decided to spruce up my office a little bit by adding my peace lily. I've had this for 4 years and it has never flowered. I'm not great of keeping plants and things alive. It's not in me, but we are trying, so I thought I'll bring it up here and maybe a change of scenery might do it good. I don't know, let's see. Anyway, let's get started. So this week we are planning on stuffing £200. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there's our £200. Let's get started. So week 2, we still haven't done our food shop yet. We're doing really well on the cupboard challenge, so this is going to be bulking up it. So I've already got in here, I've got 20, 40, and I'm going to add another 40 into there, so I've got 2, 4, 60, 80 pounds in our food shop now. So pop that in there. What I found easy as well is that as the week's going on, I never used to do this, is that I'm actually making a list of things that we run out of, so that when it comes to shopping, we know exactly what it is that we need rather than impulsing. So petrol, we went away. We had a couple nights away, so we needed to put petrol in the car, so I've got to put £20 back in there. So the car then, I've already got in here £20, so we're going to be adding another 20, so that is £40 for the car. Eating out, so we did have a family evening out, so I'm going to put £20 back into here. I have got a lunch date with some ladies later on in the week, so I'm definitely stashing this up ready for that. So here then we have got currently for her, we have got £20. Here is my white German Shepherd for anyone who doesn't know. So we're going to put her another £20, so she's got £40 in there. Our home fund then, we haven't spent anything yet. So we've got £20 there, and we're going to give it another £20 into the home fund. I am quite OCD, so I do try to get them as even as possible. Sheen's school then, he's already got £20 in there, so we are going to give him another £20 ready for when he goes back to school. And then we've got our holiday here. So we already had £20-30 for the holiday, so we're going to give that another £30, so 10, 20, so there's £30 there for holiday. So that's £60 at the moment then. And then baby is going to get, it's already got £10, so baby is going to get another £10. So we've now got £20 in the baby fund. As I've said previously then, so for celebrations, we haven't had our birthday that's coming up. We haven't needed to spend this yet, so I'm fine about not putting anything in there this week. Retirement, what will happen, as I said, is the money from the other wallet that gets carried over will go into this one, and it'll also go into this one, and we haven't yet spent our money for our day out, so I've still got in here, it's just the 2.5, so it's giving us £10 then for our day of fun. So that is it. It's a nice easy one this week. Hoping to save up some more after we've been on holiday. I'll be able to spread the load a bit, but that is it for this week. So that is it for week 2. I will see you on week 3 when we're getting ready to go on our holiday, and we'll see how the spends go from there.